Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and install Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click on the search bar, type Steam, and press the Enter key. From the search results, click on the official Steam website. Once the Steam website opens, click on the search bar at the top of the page. Now type Euro Truck Simulator 2 and select the game from the drop-down menu when it appears. The games page will open. Here, scroll down and review the system requirements to make sure your computer can run the game smoothly. After checking the requirements, scroll back up to the Purchase section. Here, you may see different versions of the game, such as the Standard Edition, Deluxe Edition, or bundles that include additional content and DLCs. You may also see discounts available on some editions. Choose the version you want to purchase. In this example, I'll select the Deluxe Edition and click on Add to Cart. Once the game has been added to your cart, click on View Cart to review your order. On the next page, click on Continue to Payment. A sign-in window will appear. Sign into your Steam account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, complete the payment process. Once your purchase is successful, Euro Truck Simulator 2 will be added to your Steam library. From your library, click on Install to start downloading the game. After the installation is complete, you can launch the game and start your trucking journey. And that's it. This is how you can download and install Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.